Welcome back to Overheat, Dodge 4x4 Motorhome 2026. Outside, constructed on a sturdy Dodge truck chassis, like the well-proven RAM ProMaster chassis, or, if the size is substantial, a larger, more robust chassis. Optimized aerodynamics will be incorporated into the RV body designed to lower wind resistance and boost fuel economy. Composites that are both lightweight and robust will probably be used to build the body. The primary characteristic that sets it apart is its sophisticated four-wheel drive 4x4 technology. LED lights that are modern and have a unique design. Sturdy bumpers in the front and back. A robust rooftop rack to support extra gear. An easily movable side awning that provides shade outside the RV. Interior. Materials for the interior will be selected based on their modern appearance, simplicity of upkeep, and durability. Kitchen, a glass-top range with 2 or 3 burners, a sink with hot and cold water taps, a medium-sized refrigerator and freezer, a microwave oven, and plenty of pantry space for food and culinary implements. It might have an extensible or foldable dining table. There will probably be a queen-size mattress in the primary sleeping room. One of this motorhome's key features will be its clever and spacious storage. Engine. For this 4x4 motorhome, Dodge is probably going to provide a number of strong engine options, such as a potent V6 or V8 gasoline engine or even a diesel engine with more torque for improved off-road and towing performance. The RV may also have other off-road capabilities like tire pressure monitoring, hill climb help, and hill descent control in addition to the 4x4 system, rooftop solar panels, large capacity deep cycle batteries, and a separate power source for prolonged off-grid operation will probably be included as standard or optional features. Tanks with enough capacity for lengthy journeys will be part of the water and wastewater systems, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, and a large touchscreen. There are numerous USB ports and power outlets, as well as side and back cameras to help with mobility, 4x4 drive system for various terrain.